Well, I packed up for the day, but I just wanted to show something. 3-volt line resistance have gone up after removing that BGA chip which had died. That one there. So now if we check the 3.3 volts, that's the 3.3 volts now. So that was 350 ohms or so. And you can verify that by also remember the diode position. Oh, damn, I'll put this up too very quick. Is it working? Nope. Deactivate. Activate. Here we go. The diode, this guy here, is where the 3.3 will come to ground. Yeah, oh shit. You don't see the screen. Here we go. Here we go to ground. 1, 2, 3. But you get the idea. We don't have any more 350 ohms or anything like that. Okay. That chip definitely did some damage. Anyway, see you in the next one.